META files are metadata. They describe other files. You see them in Unity game development or downloads. They are not the content itself. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. I'll explain the data. The simplest approach is coming. We will talk about a powerful third-party META file inspection utility that extends its support to hundreds of different file types. A META file serves as a comprehensive guide or index, primarily used for organizing and accessing metadata. It contains structured information about other files, datasets, or resources, enabling efficient searching, filtering, and management. META files are crucial for data governance, ensuring data quality, and facilitating interoperability across different systems. META files typically employ a structured format, like XML or JSON, to store metadata elements such as file names, descriptions, creation dates, authors, and keywords. The design emphasizes clarity and consistency, allowing software applications to easily parse and interpret the metadata. Proper schema validation ensures data integrity and facilitates automated processing. A common approach for META is to start with Metadata Management System. Windows does not offer the necessary repair tools if the file header is damaged or malicious. Windows cannot interpret all embedded data elements, so the right application is needed for full access. We're performing a compatibility scan. Right-click your META file and choose Open With. Test Metadata Management System first. If it's not there, select another program. This process often reveals the simplest solution. If the META file still will not open, there is no need to stress. This is where the real troubleshooting begins. Let's challenge the file by testing these known weak points to find out where the error is coming from. First, open in Notepad. Right-click the file and select Open with Notepad to read the XML or JSON code that describes another file's properties. Next, look for associated files. Check the folder for a larger file, like a video or image, with the same name. The meta file tells programs how to handle it. Finally, use a web browser. Drag the meta file into Chrome or Edge to view the structured data in a clean, readable tree format. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Using raw-level data inspection is a recommended method to try and uncover a file's true requirements when the extension label is unclear or shared. Since the manual approaches didn't work for the file, the smart move is to use FileMagick, which provides the one-click solution you need, available at filemagick.com. Let me know in the comments if that file is open. Subscribing ensures you never miss another one-click solution.